Greetings everyone, this is Dr. A. Maheswari. In this video, we discuss about problems on binomial distribution. First, we define binomial distribution. A random variable capital X is said to follow binomial distribution if it assumes only non-negative values with the probability mass function is given by probability of capital X equal to small x, this is equal to NCX, P power x, Q power n minus x, where n is the number of trials, P is the probability of success, Q is the probability of failure, where x equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. n and P plus Q equal to 1. In the binomial distribution, there are only two possible outcomes, success and failure. Next, we recall some formulas in binomial distribution. Number 1, mx of t equal to p e power t plus q the whole power n. Mx of t is nothing but moment generating function. In binomial distribution, mean equal to np, variance equal to npq. Next, the sum of two independent binomial variates having the same probability of success is also a binomial variate. It is also called as additive property of binomial distribution. M ax plus b of t equal to e power pt mx of at. In first problem, if x and y are independent random variable with capital X related to binomial of 3, 1 by 3 and y related to binomial of 5, 1 by 3, find probability of x plus y greater than or equal to 1. Given x and y are independent binomial variate. In number of trials, n1 equal to 3, n2 equal to 5 and the probability of success P is 1 by 3. Probability of success is same. So, we are using additive property. X plus y are binomial variate with capital X plus y related to capital B of, that means for binomial n1 plus n2 comma p. P is the probability of success, n1 plus n2 is the number of trials, n equal to n1 plus n2. This is equal to 5 plus 3, we get the answer n equal to 8 and p equal to 1 by 3. The probability distribution is probability of capital X equal to small x, this is equal to NCX, P power x, Q power n minus x equal to 0 to 8 since n is 8 values and P plus Q equal to 1. P of x plus y greater than or equal to 1, this is equal to 1 minus P of x plus y less than 1 since P of a bar equal to 1 minus P of a. This is equal to 1 minus P of x plus y equal to 0 since it is strictly less than 1. In binomial distribution, probability of capital X equal to small x, this is equal to NCX, P power x, Q power n minus x, here n equal to 8, P equal to 1 by 3, n equal to 8, P equal to 1 by 3, Q equal to 1 minus P, this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, this is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, probability of capital X equal to 0, this is equal to n is 8, C 0, P power 0, P power P value is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 the whole power 0. Next value is 2 by 3, whole power n minus x, n is 8 minus 0. Anything power 0 is 1, 8 C naught is 1, this is equal to 2 by 3 the whole power 8. We get the answer 1 minus 2 by 3 the whole power 8. In second problem, the MGF of a random variable capital X is of the form 0.4 e power t plus 0.6 whole power 8. Evaluate e of x and variance of x. What is the MGF of 3x plus 2? Capital X is a binomial variate with moment generating function mx of t equal to p e power t plus q the whole power n. Given mx of t equal to 0.4 e power t plus 0.6 whole power 8. Comparing this two equation, we get p equal to 0.4 and q equal to 0.6 and n equal to 8. In binomial distribution, e of x is mean mean equal to NP, variance equal to NPQ. So this equal to N is the value is 8, 8 into 0.4, this equal to 3.2, and variance equal to NPQ, this equal to 8 into 0.4 into 0.6, we get the answer is 1.92. Next, the third one, mg of 3x plus 2 is m 3x plus 2 of t. We are using the formula m ax plus b of t. This is equal to e power pt into mx of at. Here p equal to a equal to first one, a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. We get the values e power 2t, 0.4 e power 3t plus 0.6 whole power 8. In problem 3, out of 800 families with 4 children each, how many families would be expected to have 2 boys and 2 girls, at least 1 boy and no girls? In this problem, there are only 2 possible outcomes, boy and girl. We have to use binomial distribution. Let capital X denote the number of success, that means boys, assuming that the birth of a boy is a success. Therefore, P equal to 1 by 2, Q equal to 1 by 2. Considering each child is a trial, N equal to 4, out of 800 families, capital N equal to 800. Capital X follows binomial distribution. The probability distribution is P of capital X equal to small x. This is equal to NCX, P power X, Q power N minus X. This is equal to N is 4, 4CX, 1 by 2 whole power X, 1 by 2 whole power 4 minus X. Using law of exponent, this is equal to 4CX, 1 by 2 whole power X plus 4 minus X. Cancelling this term, we get the values 4CX whole 1 by 2 whole power 4. 1 by 2 whole power 4 equal to 1 by 16. This is equal to 1 by 16 into 4CX. Therefore, probability value is equal to 1 by 16 into 4CX. First one, probability of 2 boys and 2 girls. Capital X, assume the number of success in the boys. So, capital X equal to 2. 1 by 16 into 4C2. 4C2 values is 6. This is equal to 3 by 8. Since f of x equal to capital N into probability distribution values, therefore multiplying 800 into 3 by 8 equal to 300. Therefore number of families in 2 boys and 2 girls equal to 300. Next, probability of at least 1 boy. That means that families having 1 boy or more boys. That is 2 boys, 3 boys or 4 boys. We are using the shortcut. This is equal to 1 minus P of capital X less than 1, strictly less than 1. 1 minus probability of X equal to 0. Since probability of capital X equal to small x, this is equal to 1 by 2 whole power 4 into NCX. N is 4. 1 by 2 whole power 4, 4CX. Put x equal to 0, 1 minus 1 by 16, 4C0, 4C0 is 1, 1 minus 1 by 16, this is equal to 15 by 16. Number of families having at least 1 boy, multiplying 800, we get the final value is 750. Probability of no girls, that means that families has all boys. P of x equal to 4, this is equal to 1 by 16, 4C4, 4C4 is 1, this is equal to 1 by 16. Therefore, number of families having no girls, 800 into 1 by 16, this is equal to 50. Thank you.